This simple plant might look like any other, but it's a powerful tool for healing and spiritual growth, offering benefits you never imagined. Throughout history, plants have been revered not just for their physical healing properties, but also for their ability to connect us with the spiritual realm. Many ancient civilizations understood the profound relationship between humans and nature, using plant medicine to achieve balance, healing, and enlightenment. In our modern world, rediscovering the power of plant medicine can lead us to profound personal and spiritual growth. The use of plant medicine dates back thousands of years, spanning various cultures and civilizations. Ancient Egyptians, for example, utilized plants like aloe vera and garlic for their healing properties. In China, traditional medicine practices have incorporated herbs such as ginseng and ginger for centuries, promoting health and longevity. Native American tribes also have a rich history of using plants for medicinal and spiritual purposes, with shamans relying on herbs like sage and tobacco in their rituals. These ancient practices were not merely about treating physical ailments, but were deeply intertwined with spiritual beliefs. Plants were seen as gifts from the gods, imbued with life force energy that could heal the body and elevate the spirit. By understanding and respecting the natural world, these cultures believed they could harness the healing power of plants to restore balance and harmony in their lives. This holistic approach to health and spirituality offers valuable lessons for us today, as we seek to reconnect with the natural world and tap into its profound healing potential. Plants are more than just physical entities. They are living, breathing beings that hold a deep spiritual significance. Many spiritual traditions view plants as conscious entities capable of communicating with us on a subtle level. This belief is rooted in the idea that all living things are interconnected and share a common life force or energy. When we approach plants with respect and openness, we can form a spiritual connection that transcends the physical realm. This connection can be cultivated through practices such as meditation, mindfulness, and simply spending time in nature. By attuning ourselves to the natural world, we can begin to sense the energies and vibrations of plants, allowing them to guide and heal us. This process is not about imposing our will on nature, but about entering into a harmonious relationship where we listen and learn from the wisdom of the plant kingdom. In many indigenous cultures, plants are seen as teachers and allies, offering guidance and support on our spiritual journey. Shamans and healers often engage in rituals and ceremonies to communicate with plant spirits, seeking their assistance in healing and transformation. This sacred relationship with plants can help us to deepen our understanding of ourselves and our place in the universe, fostering a sense of unity and interconnectedness with all living things. While the spiritual aspects of plant medicine are profound, modern science is also beginning to recognize the remarkable healing properties of plants. Research has shown that many plants contain bioactive compounds that can have significant therapeutic effects on the body. For example, turmeric contains curcumin, a powerful anti-inflammatory agent that can help reduce pain and swelling. Similarly, peppermint has menthol, which can relieve digestive issues and respiratory problems. These scientific findings validate the traditional uses of plants in healing practices and highlight the potential for integrating plant medicine into modern healthcare. By combining ancient wisdom with contemporary research, we can develop a more holistic approach to health and wellness that addresses both the physical and spiritual dimensions of our being. Moreover, the study of plant medicine is leading to the discovery of new drugs and treatments for various diseases. Scientists are exploring the potential of plants like cannabis and psilocybin mushrooms for their therapeutic benefits, particularly in the treatment of mental health conditions such as anxiety, depression, and PTSD. These groundbreaking studies are opening up new avenues for healing and expanding our understanding of the powerful connection between plants and human health. The use of plant medicine bridges the gap between ancient traditions and modern science, offering a holistic approach to healing that encompasses the physical, emotional, and spiritual aspects of our lives. By exploring the rich history and cultural significance of plant medicine, understanding the spiritual connection between humans and plants, and delving into the scientific research behind their healing properties, we can unlock the profound benefits of nature's pharmacy. Connecting with plant medicine is a journey that requires patience, respect, and openness. It begins with developing a personal relationship with the plants you wish to work with. This relationship is not about using plants for a specific purpose, but rather about forming a mutual bond of respect and understanding. Start by spending time in nature, observing the plants around you, and noticing how they make you feel. Pay attention to their colors, shapes, and scents, and allow yourself to be guided by your intuition. Meditation and mindfulness are key practices in connecting with plant medicine. By quieting your mind and tuning into the natural world, you can begin to sense the subtle energies of the plants. Sit quietly in a garden or a forest, breathe deeply, and focus on the presence of the plants around you. You may feel a sense of calm, peace, or even receive insights and messages from the plant spirits. This practice helps you to develop a deeper awareness of the plants and their healing properties. Another important aspect of connecting with plant medicine is learning about the specific plants you're interested in. Study their traditional uses, medicinal properties, and spiritual significance. This knowledge will help you to understand how to work with the plants in a respectful and effective way. Remember, the goal is to form a partnership with the plants, where you listen and learn from them, rather than simply using them for your own benefit. Plant medicine comes in many forms, each with its own unique benefits and uses. Herbs, for example, have been used for centuries to treat a variety of ailments and promote overall health. Some common medicinal herbs include chamomile, which is known for its calming effects and ability to soothe digestive issues, and echinacea, which boosts the immune system and helps to fight infections. Essential oils are another powerful form of plant medicine. These concentrated extracts capture the essence of the plant and can be used for aromatherapy, massage, and other therapeutic practices. Lavender oil, for example, is widely known for its relaxing properties and ability to reduce stress and anxiety. Tea tree oil has strong antiseptic properties and is often used to treat skin conditions and infections. Herbs and essential oils. There are also plant medicines that come from trees and shrubs. For example, the bark of the willow tree contains salicin, a compound that is similar to aspirin and can be used to relieve pain and inflammation. The berries of the elderberry shrub are rich in antioxidants and can help to boost the immune system and reduce the severity of colds and flu. Some plants have more specialized uses in spiritual and healing practices. Ayahuasca, a powerful plant medicine used by indigenous tribes in the Amazon, is known for its ability to induce deep spiritual experiences and facilitate emotional healing. Similarly, peyote, a cactus used in Native American ceremonies, has psychoactive properties that can promote spiritual insights and personal transformation. In our modern world, plant medicine is experiencing a resurgence as more people seek natural and holistic ways to heal and connect with their spirituality. Integrating plant medicine into your spiritual practice can enhance your personal growth and deepen your connection with the natural world. One way to incorporate plant medicine into your spiritual practice is through rituals and ceremonies. These can be as simple or elaborate as you like, depending on your personal preferences and beliefs. For example, you might create a sacred space in your home where you can burn sage or other herbs to cleanse your energy and set intentions. Alternatively, you could participate in a guided plant medicine ceremony led by an experienced practitioner, where you can explore the spiritual dimensions of plant medicine in a supportive and safe environment. Another approach is to use plant medicine in your daily meditation or mindfulness practice. Essential oils, for example, can be used to create a calming atmosphere and enhance your focus during meditation. You might also drink herbal teas that promote relaxation and mental clarity before you begin your practice. These small rituals can help to anchor your spiritual practice and make it more meaningful and effective. Plant medicine can also be used to support your physical health, which is an important aspect of spiritual well-being. Herbs and supplements can help to balance your body's energy and promote overall wellness, making it easier for you to maintain a regular spiritual practice. For example, adaptogenic herbs like ashwagandha and holy basil can help to reduce stress and improve your resilience, while other herbs like ginkgo biloba can enhance your mental clarity and focus. By integrating plant medicine into your spiritual practice, You can create a holistic approach to health and wellness that supports your body, mind, and spirit. This synergy between the physical and spiritual aspects of plant medicine can help you to achieve a deeper level of healing and transformation, allowing you to live a more balanced and fulfilling life. Personal stories and experiences provide valuable insights into the transformative power of plant medicine. Many individuals have shared how plants have not only healed their physical ailments, but also brought about profound spiritual awakenings. For instance, some people have reported that using herbs like St. John's wort and valerian root has helped them overcome anxiety and depression, leading to a more balanced and peaceful state of mind. Others have found that essential oils like frankincense and sandalwood have deepened their meditation practices, allowing them to connect more profoundly with their inner selves. One common thread in these stories is the sense of guidance and support that people feel from the plants. They often describe a feeling of being nurtured and protected by the plant spirits, which helps them to release old traumas and embrace new perspectives. This relationship with plant medicine fosters a sense of trust in the natural world and a belief in the healing power of nature. These personal experiences underscore the importance of approaching plant medicine with respect and an open heart, as this allows the plants to work their magic more effectively. Incorporating plant medicine into your daily life can be a simple yet powerful way to enhance your overall well-being and spiritual growth. One effective method is to create a daily routine that includes the use of herbs and essential oils. For example, starting your day with a cup of herbal tea made from plants like peppermint or chamomile can help to awaken your senses and set a positive tone for the day. Adding a few drops of lavender or eucalyptus oil to your bath or shower can provide a calming and invigorating experience. Cooking with fresh herbs is another enjoyable way to incorporate plant medicine into your life. Herbs like basil, rosemary, and thyme not only add flavor to your meals, but also offer numerous health benefits. These herbs can support your immune system, improve digestion, and provide antioxidant protection. By using them regularly in your cooking, you can enjoy both their culinary and medicinal properties. Creating a personal herbal apothecary is another practical approach. This can include tinctures, teas, salves, and essential oils that you can use for various purposes, such as boosting immunity, relieving stress, and promoting sleep. Having these remedies on hand allows you to address minor health issues naturally and maintain your well-being without relying on synthetic medications. Developing a personal practice with plant medicine involves building a deeper relationship with the plants and integrating them into your spiritual routine. This practice can include daily rituals, meditation, and mindfulness exercises that involve plant medicine. For instance, you might start your day with a grounding meditation where you visualize yourself connecting with the earth and the plants that provide you with healing energy. Using an essential oil diffuser during your meditation can enhance this experience, helping you to feel more centered and connected. Journaling is another powerful tool that can be combined with plant medicine. Keeping a journal of your experiences with different plants can help you to track their effects on your body and mind, as well as any spiritual insights you gain. This practice can deepen your understanding of plant medicine and help you to develop a more intuitive sense of which plants are most beneficial for you. Participating in community gatherings or workshops on plant medicine can also enrich your practice. These events provide opportunities to learn from experienced practitioners, share knowledge with others, and deepen your connection with the plant medicine community. By engaging with others who share your interest in plant medicine, you can gain new perspectives and enhance your own practice. The healing power of plant medicine is a gift from nature that has been cherished by cultures around the world for centuries. By exploring the historical and cultural significance of plant medicine, understanding the spiritual connection between humans and plants, and integrating these practices into our modern lives, we can unlock profound benefits for our physical, emotional, and spiritual well-being. Personal stories and experiences highlight the transformative potential of plant medicine, while practical steps for integrating it into daily life and developing a personal practice can help us to harness its full potential. Plant medicine offers a holistic approach to healing that addresses the body, mind, and spirit, providing a pathway to deeper self-awareness and spiritual growth. As we reconnect with the natural world and embrace the wisdom of plant medicine, we open ourselves to a journey of healing and transformation that can lead to a more balanced and fulfilling life. Remember, the healing power of nature is always within reach. Embrace plant medicine and allow it to guide you on your spiritual journey. Your journey is important and your light is needed in the world. If you found this helpful, please like and subscribe to support our community of spiritual seekers.